Games contain many assets, be that models, textures, sound effects, etc. And as an indie developer or a solo creator, getting high quality assets without blowing the budget can be challenging. So I decided to start a new short series which goes over my favourite free assets found on the Unity Asset Store. In today's video, we are going to be covering assets in the nature/organic category. All assets as usual will be listed in the description below. So to start off, let's look at rocks. First one is called Rocks and Boulders 2 by manufacturer K4. This is a great package with a diverse range of rock models in both the standard and snow version. The prefabs also come with colliders, but unfortunately no LOD system, which will make these models difficult for optimization. Next, we have a package called Photoscan MountainSRocks PBR by the Tails factory. Similar to the previous package, a diverse range of rock models are provided in high quality due to the models being generated via the method of photogrammetry, which involves taking a photo of an object in different angles so that a photogrammetry algorithm can analyze the photos to create a 3D representation. The prefabs come with colliders and a LOD system, which is great. As a tip, I would recommend adjusting the LOD group fade mode to crossfade and then tick animate crossfade to create a fading transition between LODs. Moving away from rocks, let's now look at trees. To start off, let's look at HQ Autumn Dry Maple Tree by Digital Antichrist. This package comes with 10 variations of the maple tree, all with animated wind effects. Unfortunately, these assets do not come with an implemented LOD system or colliders. Next, we have the Birch Tree Pack Volume 1 by Works for Fun, which includes 10 birch tree models with a very nice texture quality. Unfortunately, like the previous package, LODs aren't provided and the prefabs do not have colliders by default. Yughues Free Palm Trees by Nobiak/Yughues provides a range of palm tree prefabs perfect for a tropical scene. The prefabs do come with colliders by default, although there is no LOD system. Now there are a lot of great tree models hidden in larger packs, like the following two that we'll be looking at. If you don't want to download the full package, remember you can untick the assets you don't want when the package preview appears. So our first larger package is the Rocky Hills Environment Light Pack by Toby Fredson. I love this package as it is one of the only free packages you can find good quality spruce trees. And if you have watched any of my other videos, you would have seen the models from this package tons of times. Anyway, this package contains 6 different spruce trees, all with colliders on the prefabs. Unfortunately, no LOD system, although the package also contains rocks and various ridges. Flooded Grounds by Sandro T provides 8 detailed tree models as well as 5 bush models. The trees do not come with colliders by default or a LOD system. 8 rock models are also provided in this package with colliders and a LOD system. There are also 11 grass meshes. Effects are also available, providing a fallen leaf effect. The package is large in size, being 958.1 megabytes. So remember that you can untick the assets that you don't want to install into your project. If you do install the entire package, you will also have access to an extensive modular building system. but I won't go over this as it extends outside the topic of this video. Looking at more specific details now, the asset Fallen Tree Barrier Free by Professional 3D Captured Objects Game Ready and Stump by Zura can provide a great way to add further detail and interest to your grounds. The Fallen Tree Barrier also comes with separate components and a LOD system. Mikolai Speichel's asset Toadstool Pack Photoscanned also provides 3 high quality models with an implemented LOD system. Moving away from trees, let's look at the Grass Flower Pack Free by Alexi8310 as a way to add greater depth and colour variation to the grass textures of our scene. This pack comes with 12 1K resolution flower textures. For water, I believe the best you're going to find for free in a realistic aspect is from Unity's environment package. The water from this package is the water I use in the majority of my videos. You can download this package by going to Assets, Import Package, Environment. If you're like me and custom package is the only option that appears, don't worry. We can still get the same pack by going to the asset store and downloading the standard assets package by Unity Technologies. The environment pack also comes with tree models, grass textures and various terrain textures. For additional water effects such as waterfalls and rain, Unity provides multiple high quality particle effects. For textures, a good website that I often use is textures.com, which contains a range of high quality materials perfect for any game. That's all the assets for now. Hopefully with all of these you'll be able to make some awesome level designs. I understand that there are thousands of assets out there on the store, so if you think that I missed one, let me know in the comments. I'll be continuing this series looking at more free assets in differing areas such as effects, audio, buildings, etc. So make sure to subscribe to not miss them. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one.